Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are talking about two words that both relate to age, but are used in very different situations. Those two words are older and elder.
Both words suggest greater age, but they do not work the same way in sentences. Using the wrong one can sound unnatural or even incorrect. So today we're going to look at exactly what each word means, when to use each one, what grammar rules they follow, and what the common mistakes are.
Let us start with older. What does older mean and how is it used? Older is the comparative form of the adjective old. It simply means more old, greater in age. And older is a very general and flexible word. It can be used to compare people, animals, and things. And it can be used in many different grammatical structures.
So, older is the everyday comparison word for age.
Yes, my sister is older than me. That dog is older than yours. This building is older than the one next to it. This laptop is older than my previous one. In all of these examples, older is comparing age between two things or people, and it works perfectly with people, animals, objects, and places.
And older can be used both before a noun and after a verb.
Exactly. Before a noun is called the attributive position, my older sister, his older brother, an older model of the phone. Older buildings tend to have more character. In all of these, older comes before the noun and describes it.
And after a verb?
After a verb is called the predicative position. She is older than him. The house is older than it looks. These shoes are older than I thought. In these sentences, older comes after the verb to be and makes a comparison.
So, older is very flexible, before a noun or after a verb. With people, things, or animals, it works in all of those positions.
Yes, that flexibility is what makes older the go-to word for most age comparisons in everyday English.
Now, let's talk about elder. What does elder mean, and how is it different?
Elder is also a comparative form of old. Like older, it means greater in age. But elder is much more restricted in how it is used. It has specific rules and specific situations where it fits. You cannot simply swap elder for older in every sentence.
What are the restrictions on elder?
The first and most important restriction is that elder is only used for people, not things, not animals, only people. You can say my elder sister, but you cannot say an elder building or an elder car. For objects and animals, you must always use older.
So, elder is exclusively for people.
Yes, only people. And the second restriction is that elder is almost always used when comparing family members or people within the same group or context. My elder brother, her elder sister, the elder of the two children. Elder is about relative age within a defined group, especially a family.
So, elder is closely tied to family relationships and group comparisons.
Yes, it has a family and social context. My elder son, his elder daughter, the elder sibling, the elder of the twins. These are all very natural uses of elder.
And the third restriction?
The third restriction is about grammar position. Elder is mainly used in the attributive position, before a noun, my elder brother, her elder sister, the elder child. But elder is almost never used in the predicative position, after a verb. You wouldn't normally say, she is elder than him. That sounds unnatural. For that comparison, you use older. She is older than him.
So, elder goes before a noun, but not really after a verb.
Right. That's a key rule. Elder plus noun is natural. Subject plus is or are plus elder is unnatural. She is elder than me sounds wrong. She is older than me is correct.
Can elder be used without than?
Yes. In fact, elder often appears without than at all. My elder brother, his two elder sisters, the elder of the two. In these sentences, there's no than because the comparison is implied by the context. You are simply identifying someone as the older one within a group.
And older can also be used without than in the same way.
Yes, my older brother, his older sisters. But older is more common in everyday speech, while elder sounds slightly more formal or traditional.
Now, elder has another use that is quite different from the comparative meaning. Can you tell us about that?
Yes, this is really important. Elder is also used as a noun. An elder is a person who is respected because of their age, experience, and wisdom. A community elder, the village elders, the church elders, the elders of the tribe. In all of these, elder is a noun meaning a respected senior person in a community or organization.
So, elder as a noun has a sense of authority and respect attached to it.
Yes, an elder is not just an older person. An elder is an older person whose age brings wisdom, authority, and respect. The elders of the community made an important decision. That sentence is not just saying older people, it's saying respected senior members with authority.
And the plural elders is very commonly used in this noun sense.
Yes, elders of the community, village elders, tribal elders, church elders. These are all very natural and are about respected senior figures, not just people of greater age.
And there's also the phrase, your elders, which means people who are older than you and who deserve respect.
Yes, respect your elders is a classic expression. It means show respect to people who are older than you because their age brings experience and wisdom. This is a cultural and moral instruction. Your elders in this phrase means older people in general who deserve deference.
That's a phrase learners should definitely know.
Absolutely. Respect your elders is used across many English-speaking cultures and appears in literature, speech, and everyday conversation. Now, let's also talk about eldest and oldest, since learners often wonder about those too. Eldest is the superlative form of elder. It means the oldest among three or more, especially within a family. She is the eldest child. He is my eldest brother, the eldest of the three sisters. Eldest is used only for people and mainly in family contexts, before a noun. Oldest is the superlative of older and works broadly with people, things, and animals. She is the oldest person in the village. That's the oldest building in the city. Oldest is flexible. Eldest is restricted to people and family contexts. Both are more formal than everyday speech, where oldest tends to dominate.
Now, let's compare them directly in sentences so learners can really see the difference.
My older brother lives in Canada. Natural and common in everyday speech. My elder brother lives in Canada. Also correct and natural, but slightly more formal. Both work when talking about a family member.
She is older than her colleague. Correct. She is elder than her colleague. Wrong. Elder cannot come after a verb in a comparison like this. Only older works here.
This car is older than that one. Correct. This car is elder than that one. Completely wrong. Elder is never used for things, only older.
The eldest daughter inherited the house. Correct for formal family context. The oldest daughter inherited the house. Also correct and slightly less formal. Both work here.
Those comparisons make the rules very clear. Older for everything. Elder only for people in family or group contexts, and mainly before a noun.
Now let us look at some common fixed expressions that use elder and older.
With elder, an elder statesman is a respected and experienced political figure whose age brings authority. Elder care means care provided to older adults. Respect your elders is a classic cultural expression, meaning show respect to people older than you because of their experience and wisdom. With older, grow older and get older are both natural. As we grow older, our priorities change. The older generation refers to people of a previous generation. Older and wiser is a common expression. He came back older and wiser after his time abroad.
Now let us get into the common mistakes, because this is where learners need the most support.
The first mistake is using elder with things and objects, saying, this is an elder model of the phone, or that is an elder building. Both wrong. Elder is only for people. For things, you always use older. This is an older model. That is an older building.
The second mistake is using elder after a verb in a comparison, saying, she is elder than her sister, or he is elder than me. Both wrong. After a verb, always use older. She is older than her sister. He is older than me.
The third mistake is using eldest for things, saying, this is the eldest car in the collection or that is the eldest tree in the forest. Wrong. Eldest is only for people. For things, use oldest. This is the oldest car. That is the oldest tree.
The fourth mistake is not knowing that elder as a noun means a respected senior person. Learners sometimes read the community elders and think it just means the older people. But elder as a noun carries meaning of authority, wisdom, and respect, not just age.
And remember, older generation and get older are fixed expressions that never use elder.
Great work. Those examples cover all the key patterns very well.
Asking 2 quick questions resolves almost every situation. Is this a person or a thing? If it's a thing, always older. Is elder before a noun or after a verb? Before a noun, elder can work. After a verb, always use older.
Great work. Those examples cover all the key patterns very well.
Asking 2 quick questions resolves almost every situation. Is this a person or a thing? If it's a thing, always older. Is elder before a noun or after a verb? Before a noun, elder can work. After a verb, always use older. Let us do the final summary.
Older is the comparative form of old. It means greater in age and is flexible and general. It can be used for people, animals, and things. It can come before a noun or after a verb. My older sister. She is older than me. This is older than that. Older is the most common word for age comparisons in everyday English.
Elder is also a comparative form of old, but it's restricted in use. It's only used for people, mainly in family or group contexts. It mainly comes before a noun and is almost never used after a verb in a comparison. My elder brother, the elder of the two. Elder sounds slightly more formal than older. Elder also functions as a noun, meaning a respected senior person with wisdom and authority. The village elders respect your elders.
Oldest is the superlative of older and works broadly for people, animals, and things. The oldest person, the oldest building. Eldest is the superlative of elder and works only for people in family or group contexts. The eldest child, the eldest daughter.
The biggest mistakes to avoid: never use elder or eldest for things or animals. Always use older or oldest for those. Never use elder after a verb in a comparison. Always use older there. Never confuse elder the noun with simply meaning an older person. It means a respected authority figure. And remember, older generation and get older are fixed expressions that never use elder.
Older is your everyday general word for age comparison. Elder is your formal, specific word for family seniority and community respect. Know the difference, and both words become easy and natural.
That's all for today. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next one.
You're doing brilliantly. Keep going.